This is a genius product. If you guys remember, a couple of months ago, I did a review on the Nothing headphones. So today I'm completing the set by purchased the Nothing phone and the 45 watt charger that comes with it. If you believe it or not, this is how this phone is packaged. It's got a pull tab over here. As you can see, totally different to a normal mobile phone. Slide the phone out. Accessories, we have a cable, USB-C to USB-C cable. That is the Nothing phone in the front. It's got 8 GB of RAM with a Snapdragon chipset. It's got a 6.55 inch screen, volume up, volume down, and the switch on and off button. At the bottom is the SIM card tray, the USB-C cable that will charge the device, and it's got the mic and the speaker. So I've just set up my Nothing phone. It's so unique in the way it's designed. It's built on Android. The other thing it has is it's got these lights at the back. As you can see, the additional lighting that's on the back of the phone over here can be used for specific things. One is notifications, Google Assistant, and thirdly, it has a battery indicator, gives you an indication of your battery life, and you turn the phone around, it goes on to silent mode, and for whatever configuration you had for specific contacts, this would light up and you would know whether to answer the phone. Currently, I'm getting a call in with a random person, hence the random lights. This lights also do provide additional lighting when making a video, if you're shooting for social media. So as I'm holding this phone in my hand right now, it's also very light, only weighing what I believe is 194 grams, which is practically nothing. Would be now my next phone to use for a couple of days. And that's why